Hello everyone, this is Koge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. I have a baby boy, Joe Young, at home and he's about 13 months right now. A very active boy and has already started to walk and run. So due to the recent COVID-19 and MCO, Movement Control Order in Malaysia, I've been staying at home and spending a lot of time playing with him. So parents out there, you would agree with me if I were to say that it is very important for us to keep them active at home and drain their energy so that they can sleep early or have a more quality sleep during the night. Besides keeping them active, I think it is also equally important for us to develop their motor skills. And here's the reason that I wanted to build my version of children's slide. Let's watch this. Hey, do you like my slide? It's almost complete. For the ease of installation and portability, I have divided the slide into 3 parts. This is the ladder, which allows the children to climb up to the mid-stand area here, and for them to just hang on for a while before they make that incredible slide. Come, you have new toy. Wait, turn this thing around. What's this? Wow. Okay. Go. Careful, Alright. Woo! And woo! Leg here. Okay, Joyang, say bye-bye to everyone. Bye-bye. Just sharing some thoughts here, and just want to inform that I truly enjoy doing the project, especially for children's like this one, is because it all started from a piece of paper and a pencil where I sketch out the design out of my imagination, and that's it, and we proceed to build it. And of course, the final product of the slide is a little bit different lah, okay, as compared to what we have initially conceptualized. But we try to emphasize on using less materials. Basically, if you can see here that the slide is only using pinewood timber, wood glue, and some general screws. That's about it. Alright, no complicated items used, and we are leveraging on the design. For example, for the stability, for the assembling, alright, and of course for portability. That's what we are looking for, and I'm trying to make the slide easy so that all of you can build your own children's slides as well. So have fun, yeah. And if you are watching this and you enjoy watching my videos and what I've done, over the past videos, so I hope that you can give me a like and share these videos to your friends and family. And of course, please go to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And I'll be coming back with more videos. Alright, bye bye.